How to promote Warrior Plus products, free affiliate marketing traffic. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start promoting your products that you get on Warrior Plus and how you can do that for free. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is sign up on Warrior Plus. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. You can just click on the free sign up button over here at the top, and then you're just going to sign up with your email. But I am just going to log in over here, and the first thing I'm going to show you is how to actually get your Warrior Plus product. Now, once you log into your account or you create your account, you can see you have your vendor, affiliate, and marketplace. So what you're just going to do is you're going to go onto your affiliate section, and then you're going to go scroll down, and then you can see your offers over here, and then you can find different products in your offer section if the products that you're currently promoting. So you can find those over here. If you're not promoting any products, so it's going to be empty like this. But if you scroll down, you can see the different offers available to you. So these are all the different offers that you can opt for. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take any kind of product that you want to promote or any affiliate that you would actually like to promote. So let's say this is cash for crypto, and these are the stats on this. And the most important stat is the conversion rate, and then you have the refund rate. So you want a product with a high conversion rate and a low refund rate. In that situation, you're going to be making the most amount of money. So you're just going to scroll down, and I would recommend finding something that has at least a conversion rate of 10%. So you can see that this is a video profit engine. It has a conversion rate of 11% and a refund rate of 4%. So usually I would like to minus the conversion rate from the refund rate from the conversion rate, and it should still be over 10%. So I'm just going to keep on scrolling down and seeing other affiliates. So I'm just going to scroll down, and this looks like a great affiliate link called How to Start a Consulting Business PLR, and this has a 17% conversion rate and a 1% cancellation rate. So you're just going to click on request over here, and once you click on request, once you have clicked on request, you can see the funnel map, the overall product description of how it is, and what you're going to do is you're just going to click on request approval, and then you're going to add some notes if you want, and then you're just going to request this offer so the vendor or the person providing this affiliate grants you their affiliate link. Now, once you have requested for approval, now it's the most difficult step. Once you have whatever affiliate you wanted approved, how do you actually market it and promote it and get free traffic? Well, now once you have created your product and it's been approved, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to Facebook, and this is my number one process of getting affiliate traffic. It's going on to Facebook. Now, on your Facebook account, you probably already have a Facebook account, but if you don't, you can create one and take a look at what kind of affiliate this is. So this is on how to start a consulting business. So you're just going to go on to Facebook, and what you're going to do is you're going to search for consulting over here, because I'm promoting this affiliate for a consulting PLR, and I'm just going to go into the group section over here, and I'm just going to join these groups so they're related to like consultants and consulting prep case and all that stuff. So after doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start posting and promoting and talking about this PLR and how it has helped me in starting my own consulting business, or how it's such a great PLR that I read it and I found it for free, and I read it and it was such a great PLR, and this will get me free traffic. People will be interested in the PLR and the content of the PLR book and start taking a look at the product that I'm promoting. So you want to make it seem genuine. You don't want to make it seem like you're actually promoting the PLR. You want to make it seem like it's your own personal experience. That is something I must tell you guys. You don't want it to be like a direct marketing of your affiliate, because that way most groups will kick you out if you do that. So you want to make sure that you're not doing that. So this is like a consulting business PLR. So what you're going to do is you can do a business. You can just search for business over here, go into the group section, join a bunch of these business groups, and then you can just start promoting this PLR by sharing your story or talking about how this book helped you in starting your own consulting business and how it's pretty successful now, or just how it's a great read and how you really enjoyed the content of the book. You can do that and start posting that on Facebook. Now, the other way that you can promote, using the same strategy, you can promote this on Pinterest as well. So you're just going to go on to Pinterest, and you can just create your account for free. I already have a business account on Pinterest. If you don't, the basic difference is just the analytics on the business account, but otherwise it's pretty much the same. You can just click on create pin over here. So Pinterest seems like it is down, but yeah, so you can just click on create over here, and you can just click on create pin. And once you have done that, you're just going to add the title. So you can say my consulting business journey. You can add this like as the title, and then whatever affiliate that you get. So if this is your affiliate, you're just going to copy it and paste it over here at the add destination link section, and then you can add any kind of image. If you have a Warrior Plus image provided, you can add that over here, or you can create your own slightly more attractive banner using Canva as well. If there is a high commission rate, if you find that this link is worth it, you can do that as well. And then you can choose to publish this immediately or publish at a later date as well. So you can schedule your affiliate link posts for like weeks ahead on Pinterest, and that is something that I really like when I'm using Pinterest to promote my affiliate links instead of Facebook. Although Facebook is going to generate you more traffic, I'm going to let you guys know, out of all these methods, Facebook is probably the most important because it's going to give you the most amount of traffic. Now you can apply the same strategy and do this on Twitter. So you just sign up on Twitter and do the same thing. You can talk about I just read this book, the best tips for starting a business I have ever read, and then you can just add the affiliate link for your book, and then you're gonna be ready to go. So it's just basically using the same strategy on different platforms. Now the final platform I'm going to talk to you guys about is a bit different. It's called medium.com, and this is basically like a article writing platform. So you're just gonna create your account, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on write a story over here. So you're just going to click on write a story on your account, and then you can add a title about my consulting company's journey, and then you can talk about how you started with this book and how this book gave you the idea of how to start your consulting company, and then add the link for your affiliate as well. And then you're just going to click on publish over here, and you're just going to click on publish now. You can add different tags and different keywords just to get some search engine optimization, and you can link it with Twitter and Facebook as well to get a overall good brand image for the thing that you are promoting. Now this is just the example that I'm going with of starting a business, consulting business. Obviously, depending on the Warrior Plus affiliate that you request or that is approved for you, you're going to be promoting that, so you're going to promote accordingly. So you don't want to write a article on your consulting company's journey. If you're promoting like a diet or fitness product, then you're gonna write about the diet or fitness product and how it really helped you and all that. So these are the different platforms where you can promote your Warrior Plus products and get free traffic. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to make money with your Warrior Plus affiliates. And to end it on a good note, I would like to request you guys that if you found this video helpful, or if you found this method exactly what you wanted or what you were looking for, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and sharing it with your friends and family who might learn a thing or two from this video, or learn a thing or two from the hundreds of videos that we have on our channel. And of course, if you have any questions, any queries about anything in this video or related to our entire channel or any of our videos, make sure to leave a comment down below and ask us what you want from our videos. I tried to cover everything I could in this video, but if you want to see more details of the methods or the ways in this video, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll be sure to make more videos on your suggestions. At the end of the day, it's all about providing you guys with valuable content that could help instill a positive change in your life and hopefully your friend and family's life as well. And at the end, I would like to request you to make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it helps out our videos a lot. And again, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, goodbye.